Hello friends, welcome back. Happy to see you all again here. Now I have taken question number 15 from exercise 20.1 class 7 RD Sharma. So let's first read the question, then we'll see what to do. The length and breadth of a playground are 62 meter, 60 centimeter and 25 meter, 40 centimeter respectively. Means length is 62 and 60 and breadth is 25 and 40. Find the cost of turfing it at rupees 2.50 per square meter. Turfing means we have to create the lawn. Okay. How long will a man take to 3 times round the field if he walks at the rate of 2 meter per second? Now there are two questions in that. First we have to see key what will be the cost for turfing that rectangular field or this playground. And second, if there is a man and he is taking 3 rounds of that field, so how much time he will get if his rate is 2 meter per second, means speed is this much. So first we will find the area of this playground. For that we have to first convert it in a 1 unit. This is meter centimeter and again meter centimeter. So we will convert it in a meter because here speed is given meter per second. So length is equal to 62 meter and 60 centimeter. Okay, since 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, so therefore 60 centimeter will be, I am just converting 60 centimeter, 60 upon 100, sorry, 62 meter, this is meter, we have converted in a meter. So 62 meter plus 0.6 meter means 62.6 meter. Okay, now this is length. Now playground's breadth. It is given 25 meter and 40 centimeter. Since 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, therefore 40 centimeter will be 100 divided by 40, it will be 0.4 meter. Okay, so the breadth will be, I am writing here, so the breadth will be 25 plus 0.4 means 25.4 meter. Okay, now length is 62.6 and breadth is 25.4. Now we will find out the area. Okay, so into breadth is equal to length is 62.6 and breadth is equal to 25.4. When you will further multiply, you will get 1590.04 meter square. I must say that you should check it if it is correct or not. You need to multiply. Okay, so this is the area. Now it is asked, find the cost of turfing it if 2.50 per square meter. So per square meter is 2.50. So now we have this much area. So since cost of turfing per square meter is 2.50, therefore cost of turfing 1590.04 meter square is equal to, we will simply multiply 2.50 multiply by 1590.04. when you will multiply, you will get 3975 rupees. This is the money that we are finding out. So the unit will be rupees. So here one part we have solved. We have found out the cost of turfing. Now we have to see how much time the person will take, how long will a man take to 3 times if he is taking 3 rounds. So here we had find out area, but here because he is taking just round, so we will find out the perimeter. Okay, as we know this is a rectangular field and the perimeter is equal to 2L plus B. Okay, so 2 length was 62.6 and breadth was 25.4. so when you will add, you will get 5460. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, 6 plus 2 8, this much. And when you will multiply further, you will get 176 meter. Okay, this is the perimeter. Now 1 round is equal to, now 1 round equals to perimeter. Okay, so if there are 3 round, then it will be 3 into 176 meter. I'm sorry, this all are just messed up. So you will get 3 6 18, 1 3 7 21 plus 1 22, 2 will be carry over, 3 1 3 plus 2 5, 528 meter. So we found that distance is 528 meter. Okay, now here we will find out the time. So as in the last question we have also solved in my prior video, that time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, so time will be, distance for 3 round is 528 meter and speed is given 2 meter per second. Okay, so we will simplify. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. So it will be 264 seconds. If you have to find out in the minute, so here I will write, since 60 second is equal to 1 minute, so therefore 264 seconds will be 264 divided by 60, which will give you 4 minutes and 24 seconds. How? I'll show you here. You divide it here. 6 4s are 240, 6 4s are 24. As this there is a 0, so I have added 0. Now subtract 4 minus 0, 4. 6 minus 4, 2 here. So it is 4 minutes and 24 seconds. That's how it has come. So I hope this is clear, guys. Okay. Next question is question number 18. First let's read the question. The width of cloth is 170 centimeter. Calculate the length of the cloth requires to make 25 diapers if each diaper requires a piece of cloth of size 50 centimeter by 5 centimeter. So there is a piece of big cloth from which we have to make diapers, and there should be 25 diapers. It is clear, and each diaper's length and breadth is given, and whole cloth's length is given. Okay, it is given. We have to find out the breadth. Okay, so it's very easy. What we can do, as number of diaper is given, length and breadth of each diaper is given, so we can find out the area of whole cloth, and then we can easily find out the length. So let's see. Width of cloth is given. Width of cloth is 170 centimeter. 170 centimeter. Okay. And then dimensions of diaper 50 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. This is the dimension. Number of diaper is also given. There are 25 diapers. So area of diaper will be, here area of diaper is 50 centimeter by 17 centimeter. Okay, so width of cloth is 170 centimeter. Dimensions of diaper is 50 into 17 centimeter. Number of diaper there are 25. So the area of diaper will be length into breadth, means 50 into 17, which will give us 850 centimeter square. This is the area of one diaper. So area of 25 diaper will be, we have simply multiplied by 25. 850 multiplied by 25, which will give you 21,250 meter square. This is, centimeter square. This is meter or centimeter? Centimeter square. Okay. So means total area of diaper 25 means total area of that cloth, because that from that cloth only 25 diapers has been made. Now we will find out the length. Width is given, area we know, so we can easily find out the breadth. So as we know, area is equal to length into breadth. So this 21,250 equals to length we have to find out. So I am just writing L for that, and width is 170. So 21,250 divided by 170 will give you the length. Okay. So for that, when you will divide, you will get 17. If you will divide it by that, so length will be 125 centimeter. Okay. I hope this is clear, guys. It was very easy. Okay. So now we will see the next question. So next question is question number 21. Okay. Question is a hall 36 meter long and 24 meter broad, allowing 80 meter square for doors and windows. The cost of papering the walls at 8.40 rupees per square meter is 9,408 rupees. Means when there is a per square meter 8.40 rupees and whole is going to cost 9,408 rupees. It is given already. Find the height of the wall. Okay. Hall. So if there is a hall, if you will assume it, okay, maybe it's a 3D. Okay. So here we are not going to use the roof. Okay. And we are not going to use the tile also. Okay. So we are going to use only 4 sides. This side, this is front and this is back. There will be only 4 sides. And in that also there are some doors and windows. Okay. So what we will do, first we will find out the area of the hall which we have to papering. Papering means we have to paste the paper. Okay. So we will find out the area that we have to paper. For that, what we have to do, we have to find out the area of these 4 sides. Okay. Minus area of doors and windows. Okay. So to save the time, I have written hall's length is given 36 meter, breadth is 24 meter, and area of doors and windows is 80 meter square given. So the area of wall for papering will be, these all are rectangulars. It will be length into breadth or length into height. Okay. So here we will write, there are only 4 sides. So length into height. Okay. First we will assume, let the height is equal to, we have to find out the height, no? Height of hall. So height, assume h meter. Okay. Now we will use the formula L into h plus L into h, because there are 2 lengths, then plus breadth into h plus breadth into h. Okay. We are leaving the roof and the floor. So there will be 4 sides and each side there will be height. Okay. So length into height and breadth into height and breadth into height, minus, this is whole, and minus it will be, I have to erase this, minus area of doors and windows. Doors and windows. So whatever you will get here, the answer, that will be the area that we have to use for papering. So area of hall, it's not wall. Okay. So here length is given, length is 36 and this is h, because we have to find out, we don't know. Again 36 h plus breadth is given 24 h plus 24 h minus it is given 80. So here, when you will add these all, 36 plus 36 plus 24 plus 24 h, you will get 120 h minus 80. So this will be the area that we have to use for papering. Okay. So this we will use it further. Now you got the area, but according to this, rupees is given. So by using this we can find out the area of the hall, actual hall. So but the cost of papering the wall per square meter is given rupees 8.40, and total is also given, total cost is also given 9,408 rupees. So through this we can find out the area. So area where this much cost has been applied, that area we can find out by dividing both of them. So area of papering the wall will be 9408 divided by 8.40, because per square meter is given. Okay, per square meter this much cost. So if whole is taken this much cost, so we can find out the square meter or the area. So it will be 1120 meter square. According to this much area is used for papering because total cost is given. Okay, now through this we have find out this, and we 120h minus 80. So we can write area means this is also area. 1120 will be equal to 120h minus 80. Okay, now this is minus 80. When it will be shifted this side, it will be plus 80 is equal to 120h. Okay, so further if you will calculate, you will get 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. This much you will get, and then finally 1200 divided by 120 will be h. 12 ones are 12, 12 tens are 120. So the height will be 10 meter. This will be your answer. I hope this is clear, guys. Kindly write your doubts if you have any. I will love to solve your doubts, and if you have any question, please also write that in a comment so I can solve that also. Please write, then only I will get to know. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys.